Hey everybody, welcome to day 15 of our summer sketches. Today we're going to be drawing the most adorable seal you've ever seen using the number 6. And guys, this is simple. I'm not even using a pencil today. I'm just going for it with the marker. So we're going to draw the number 6 nice and big in the center. And we're going to draw our eyes here. I like to do a little triangle for the nose, and then that connects to our sweet smile. Then we're going to draw the other body line right here up to the tail, and 2 little bumps there for the tail. Then we're going to draw our arm fin here and the other arm fin there. And there you have it, you guys. How sweet is this little seal? I'm gonna give it a nice purpley gray color. This might be one of my favorite drawings. I hope you guys have been tuning in every day for the month of July. We're having summer sketches, which we draw something simple using numbers or letters. And don't forget, we have a giveaway happening right now. So if you want, you could let your parents know over on my Instagram. We have a giveaway of over $100 worth of art supplies. So tell your parents, enjoy drawing, and look at that, an adorable little seal. Don't forget to join us tomorrow for our next summer sketch.